Hi everybody, my name is Doug, and today I'm going to be unboxing this mattress right here. Oh hey, look, it says what it is right on the box. The Lucid Latex Hybrid Mattress, and this is in the 10-inch variety. This mattress came to me after I ordered it on Amazon.com. Shipping was about 3 days. It was delivered right to my doorstep. This particular mattress has a comfortable 3.5 inches of comfort layer, which is a mix of memory foam and latex. The top 1 inch is the latex layer, which is how it gets its name. So this should be a bit firmer than an all foam mattress would be, and even a tad bit firmer than a memory foam hybrid mattress. But we'll see what the responsiveness level is after I try it out. It's a hybrid mattress, meaning underneath that 3.5 inches of comfort layer is a bed of springs, independently encased coils, of course, and then a bottom base layer of foam just to hold everything together nicely. So my intention is to sleep on this mattress for anywhere from 3 to 7 nights, roughly, as a sleep trial, and then I'll let you know what I think of it. But before I can give you my impressions and start sleeping on it, I gotta get it out of the box. So I'll do that now. Here we go. Woo! Got that done. Well, normally at this point I would ask, what do you think? But we have no business evaluating this mattress at this exact moment because it is not inflating very quickly. Now I don't know if that's a function of the latex or if that's a function of the cold, because I live in Iowa and right now it is January, and January in Iowa can be kind of cold. So when this guy was delivered, it was out on our front step for half a day, and then it went into our garage for a couple days, which is not below freezing, but probably in the 40s or 50s. So that's probably impacting the fact that it's inflating very slowly. But yeah, it's not even halfway inflated yet. So we'll have to give this some time, which is fine. I normally give mattresses at least a full day to air out. Now the good news is there's no smell. I mean, virtually none, which is great. Smells good. And by good, I mean neutral. Obviously the best smell is no smell of any kind, in my opinion. I debated for a while which side was up and which side is down. I'm pretty sure I got the right side up. Now let me rephrase that, I definitely did, because I would be sitting on springs, and that's not the case. So with that in mind, let's give this a full day to inflate. And then, like I said, I'll start my sleep trial. I'll check back and let you know what I thought. Now, it did come with one of these handy-dandy mattress openers that lots of companies use. It's really just a letter opener. You have to be very careful with both, but especially with scissors, just be careful not to cut any of the fabric, which I didn't, so it was fine in that regard. Hope you found this video to be informative. I would ask you to subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up button if you found this to be helpful. You can also check back in a couple weeks once I have this done for my sleep trial, and I'll let you know what I thought of it. In the meantime, catch you later.